Right, here we go. '07 Renault Master 2.5 dci120. Heater started playing up about a year ago. First, one of my guys was driving it down the road and the dash sort of all filled up with smoke, and it was like the heater had got stuck. Turned it all off, drove, finished off the journey, tried it the next day. Heater 1, 2 and 3 wouldn't work, but 4 did, and we all know the story. What ain't broke, don't fix it. So we just used it on number 4 for a year. Unfortunately this week number 4 died, so then we had no heater at all, and typical it would be when, frosty mornings, I'm having to heat the window with a kettle to try and clear it, etc, etc. So now I'm here in a parts vehicle, and I just thought I'd show what I've done to get at the resistor to make it easier for anybody else that have the same issue. So first things first, these 2 screws need to come out. The reason for this is you don't have to take the whole dashboard out. This is all about being able to get your head in there and so you can see what you're doing. But I'll cut back in a minute, and then you can see what I'm up to. Right, so once you've done that, don't be shy. Get your old trusty lever bar in, get it in the side there under the old dashboard, and give it a big old yank. Then this comes, as you can see, this is all like push fit, and that will come up just like so. Then this glove box. Next is this old jalopy. I've got to get this out, give that a big old yank. Next we're on the old glove box, give it a big old yank. Get this side up, obviously quite difficult to do with one hand. There we go, that's out. Right, then we've got under here. As you can see, that's where the fan is, right there. Right, now we've got all that out, we'll get underneath. And I don't know if you can see this, but the resistor is right up there, that white thing where you see the wires then. Right, this white thing is what needs to come out. This is very difficult to do on camera, but you need to get that in there like so, and then give that a little see what we're doing here. Yeah, get that in there like that, and then give it a good old push round. It isn't the basically the aim is to twist it that way, and then it should pull out. This is what will come out. Obviously this one ain't really in that good condition, but this is the parts vehicle, and unfortunately on my vehicle, because I didn't fix this issue straight away, it's actually burnt the wiring. I'll probably get a little clip of that so you can just see how bad it actually is. Today, although my wiring loom's burnt out on my other van, it appears that I should do the lottery tonight, because I'm not going to have to splice these wires in because of the clips being all in here to whatever this thing is. And onto that, I'm just going to literally unclip this, unclip that, which you can see I've already done, and then swap it over on my other van. So although I was dreading this for about a week, actually this is going to be realistically about half an hour repair. Right, as you can see, this is the old one, completely burnt out. To be honest with you, the new one isn't probably as good as it could be. I am tempted to order one off eBay if this cures the problem, because that loom looks like it's started to get hot. So we'd call this probably a diagnosis rather than a fix. So I had to unclip the wires from the motor, unclip this thing here, unclip this thing here, and then clip it all back into place, and we'll see if it fixes it. Right, all clipped in, here we go. Oh, we seem to have one. No, number 2. Number 3. Number 4. Right, so my thing is, I think that's that resistor. maybe that loom might have got a bit hot as well, so it definitely is the problem. I might look up some part numbers and see how much it costs to get a new bit of loom and a new resistor. Now I know that definitely is the fault. Right, I hope this helps you if you have the same issue. To be honest, what I'd probably do is just get that resistor out, take a look. If it looks manky, just buy a new resistor and loom. But yeah, that is definitely the fix.